You, what's up, sup? 11 hundo today. First back-to-back $1,000 days, I think. Yeah. 1.6 profit factor. Similar stats to tomorrow, to to yesterday. Biggest win, PCSA. 6K shares. 63 to 67, basically 4 full cents on 6K shares. 250 bucks on that trade. Yeah. Oh yeah. This PCSA HUSA RBNE. Fuck EYEN. Yeah. Check out some of the trades. Start off on Cerro, which did make some crazy moves today, but I and at least one other person I know was struggling to capture profit on it. Wasn't really acting like a stock that you would want to be scalping, but it's alright. I went red on it early on. I think I went red like 100, maybe 200 bucks on it early on, and then was able to figure it out and get back to it. ACXP, dollar break here. Have a cent there. A little bit of back and forth, and it just kept going. Not sure why I was selling so quick on these. Maybe a little too jumpy as of late on some of these trades. Granted, it has saved me from some big losses, but it's also made me miss out on a lot of profit selling too quick. So looking to hold longer on some of these. Bitch, I just hold down 101 there. They don't break down 102, adding late into the 101 break, but figured it'd at least go a couple cents after holding it down that hard, which it did. Got out for what, 2 cents there? I think it topped out at 105 for a bit there. Cerro, read 130 bucks on it at this point, 160 bucks. How do we lose on this move? Red to green, big bottoming tail. Oh, I just sold it too soon. Saw the sellers come in after I bought, but little did I know, sellers and buyers meant nothing on this thing. 1269 that high. Bought in a little bit of a sketchy spot there. It's over 50 now. Oh, new candle opening up here. Back through 50 and then through 69. Gets over that 54. Want to see it push? It's a fucking bullshit weak break there.
That's a 10-cent wall.
I feel like every break that I was in on this thing was weak, and then when I wouldn't trade the break, it would be strong. That's just how it goes sometimes. Sellin's not getting back to 12. Oh shit. Did you catch a big one here? We did. Let's see. Back to 12. Should be able to make a pretty strong move. Doesn't reject this time off of that 12. Holding up here. There it is through 12. In late, but figured it would actually make a decent move when it did get through, which it did there through 50, through 60. Stopped there at 65, took my profit before I came back down. Could be re-adding here. tap 70 again, but they hold it down. Keep that for a small loss, nothing crazy. Maybe dip into 1220s.
I keep losing. You just add where it's ugliest and don't sell.
Back to 50, this candle goes green. Wants to. Bang, there it is. 375 through 13. Figured it would stop at 13, so I sold it right when I saw it. Don't mind that at all, even though it did keep going. Kind of never know.
Oh my god, the one I
don't mind taking profit there at all. It's still 40 cents. Now through 13, bang, there it is. But the whole level is 35, so risk reward is low skewed on this one. Didn't take it through 13. Don't mind that though. Still got a 40 center beforehand. Not sure why I'm fucking with my shares like that instead of just clicking my 300. Stupid. They pushed whole level to 65 though, so if this does want to continue. Oh shit. Trying to push it down though. Oh. 1310 3 times now. Maybe over that. Oh, it does end up gone. Bang. Sold it, and then it makes that push. Oh, we did get back in. Bang. 20 cents on that last trade. Now through 50. Hollow was right there at 79. Oh, printed over 50 already. Should have just been taking my 300 shares to start on this thing, and then could have been sizing up instead of. Now we're back up to 300 after it's already probably exhausted. Nope. Hollow was right there at 98. Pushes into it. I don't think it holds here though. HUSA, oil name. Thank you, Wyatt. He said it goes just with the US oil. So pulled that up, pulled that 5-minute up, and then just was looking at that to see when I thought HUSA might make a move based on that. HUSA, USEG, Indo. What else is there? Back at 15. Ugh. RBNE out of this hole was a little sketchy. So here's Sarah out of the hole. Boom, 10-minute. I don't really care to watch this. Didn't trade that. Take that 16 break for a loss.
No matter what I do.
How does that not?
Early on this thing was low volume. What's it called? Volume. Here we go. through 58. $59. Stops out there, sell. Bang. Sold there when it stopped at 62. Now it's over 62. Need to be in. Bang, bang, bang. It's the biggest trade of the day. Let's listen to that sell one more time. 60. 62.7 is that next level. Once it gets over that, though, I figured I just need to fucking be in. And bang. Bitch! Biggest trade of the day right there. Oh, 74. $70 dip, make right under 70.
Selling this HUSA. Anytime I try to hold anything, it
For a
never
quick dip,
works.
bigger dip would obviously be into that
I'll take fucking
62.7
70
area.
Oh, I thought you were in PCSA.
It's holding up high though. There's right under
No,
70.
I wasn't.
Oh, okay.
I was just holding HUSA from 1480.
New candle.
Or
Probably should
13.
already added. When it did do the dip under 70 here, it comes back for it.
Kid's back.
No, I only had 700 shares.
Bang. Adding a little late there, but that's alright. What was that, like break even? Yeah. Hot level 78 now if they did want to push it. Now I'll probably be looking for a bigger dip in that 62.7 area if it does want to come down that low. Or just a little 1 minute pullback. Continue on this next candle. It's what's looking more likely.
What is that lag, bro? I gotta size down.
Yeah, that's gonna go. Ooh. Right under this previous candle. Oh, I should have been in.
Dip does look good. It's higher low.
Adding a little late. Needs to get back over that 70. Back in.
Nice.
Doesn't want to break 72 as quick as I'd like to see it, so I sell. Stupid ad there. A lot of pointless stabs. I had more trades today than yesterday by a couple. That's how I knew I probably took too many trades today. And the fact that I was at the same. There's another. Oh, I was practically break even. The fact that I was at the same P&L at 9:30 and 1 was pretty telling. Getting in a little late on that, yeah. There's the turn. No. Hold it down.
That's why I sell HUSA, because if I'm holding it long, no matter how good it looks, it always fails.
Admire the P&L. There's the Soka 71. Holding it down on the other end though. There we go.
Should probably. Actually,
All I
I
do
probably
is
shouldn't.
lose. Sorry.
No, I probably shouldn't, because I just lose.
I thought, yeah.
There's maybe a decent dip.
Figured Sarah was setting up for a bigger move here.
Oh shit. Why am I not in?
Why'd I just sell?
Two Sienna.
Oh, 0.
The PCSA hit my alert, so I was like, all right, we're going. We were not going.
Not want to be in that high.
God, this Sarah was such a rat. Would have been easy if I didn't use any form of risk management. Just was willing to take on
Looks pretty good.
unlimited risk, but
Why did I even go?
trying to scalp it was a little bit tough on the P&L.
I shouldn't have sold at 64.
PCSA trying to come back. Sell as it slows. Cent and a half there. 70. Whoa. Hold me down. Weak bitch. Oh. It's momentum. I wasn't sure how high I was in there, so I insta sold. I'm gonna stop there. Even though it's looking a lot more likely now it breaks highs. 74.5 being that high. New candle here, dipping to 70. Might not come all the way back down to 67 actually. Mm-mm-mm.
75.5.
Candle's closing very strong, big bottoming tail, new candle opening up. And buyers roll in 372, 374.5. Tried to hold that one, get back in. Ooh. We do get back in time.
Can't go 78. Fucking liar.
Just didn't like it how long it sat there at 73, and then bang bang.
Back at
Long line of
90.
consolidation on Cerro.
Oh, yeah.
Nope, not looking at that.
Yeah, break by 1 cent.
ACXP, seeing if I can just follow this trend if it wants to continue. Just going straight up. Of course, when I come over, is when we start selling off. Lovely. Get over 72. This is when I saw oil was going, so I figured we would actually break this time. So I'm just holding this bitch. Coming up to 15. Psychological resistance.
I get out 85. Fuck you, man.
Sell it there for profit.
I get out 80.
60 to 85. 25 Sienna.
I'm returning
I hope I hold this all the way through. This looks really good. Oh, I remember this. I sell and then re-add. I think I sell at 30, then re-add for the actual break. If I'm not mistaken. Just sitting there. Buyer's going into 28 and it's just not going nowhere. And I wasn't in that low, so I was like, okay, with this bid of 25, it should go. Doesn't. Starting to get a little uneasy. Not used to holding this long. Glass hands. Comes down to my entry. Diamond hands, bitch. Candle. Oil was ripping at this point, so I figured surely this gotta go, right? Here we go, coming back up to this 28.
Guys, oil is still screaming.
I didn't realize how long I held this. This is like 4 minutes. Here we go, this one's gotta break it. That's what I'm thinking. Over this 25, 28, 39 rip. 25. Boom. Should be breaking there, is what I think. Sell there with a bid still at 20. And then, of course, that's when it fucking
I knew it would
missed out on some profit there by having to re-add.
as soon as I sold.
But that's my own fault. Shouldn't have sold.
Got back in 30.
Just felt like it should have gone. And then right when I sell, of course, is when all this volume comes in. Is what it is. Could have held it. That's on me.
More than that.
25. Let's see, 50 shares.
And Cero's halting up. Crazy
Oh
move.
my.
HUSA also halted up. Here it is out of the unhalt. 1850. Buyers rolling in. Should be just a little bit. Oof. Only 10 cents on that.
Let's go. Continue.
No.
Got in when this candle went green.
You
Right
said-
there at 40, it goes green.
Oh shit.
So I get in when it goes green. Needs to get over 69, but goes green and it just sits there. Hold me down like a bitch. Wasted time. RBNE was then going straight up. Thinking, oh shit, might be late to the party. It's traded on low shares with how sketchy it is. Stops at 80. Weaker than you'd want to see
Go
it.
fuck yourself, you.
Through 10 now. Halt level is 1023.
What?
take a look at this bid when I sell.
And since that's it, fuck you.
I was trading this on such low shares at this point. I knew it was strong now.
Whoa. I'm not gonna exact number, no sense.
Let's go.
Good luck.
Exactly $1,000
Heck, I
bucks.
never see that.
20 buster.
Exactly 800.
Dang. Oh shit. I'm beating the master today.
Oh,
Motherfucker, let's
straight
go.
up.
I just got in at 2030. I bought 19.
Try 2048, mother.
What?
Holding this diamond hands, baby. 221. Give it to me. Boom. I should be holding this to the halt now. I don't know why I sold right there.
Unbelievable.
All that holding through 21 just to sell it 2101. That's stupid.
Hold that one. I should have just kept holding.
We know they're going to want to push to this halt.
Ah, why did I sell?
Missed out on 60 cents because of that. And we're buying at this 22 level. Stupid. RBNE out of this hole is going straight up again. Straight up. Well, why am I not trading that? Got it on this, this dip.
Stock market bounce back.
Want to make sure it's actually going to hold here. Just wait for it to. Any sign of buyers. There they are. Luckily got filled. Wow. Still only 36. It could have been getting in a lot higher there. What'd I sell at? I sold when it wasn't getting through 40. Don't mind that. Here's a good trade. I'm going to pull back. This is pretty basic. Do 11, 11, 10. Bang.
Why did I just get out?
Actually, wait for the bid too. Get out 30 there on the out. That's pretty good.
Making fucking no shirt.
Let's see this. Oh shit. We lost on this. Let's see it. Let's get back over 12, 1209.
What is happening? Wow.
Oh. Buying late on that.
Like, of course you wrote it on.
I'll tell you right now, you're not getting that one.
that might be it on recording. Oh, this rally was crazy out of this halt. Flag, not really a flag, I guess. Kind of try to break this downtrend through 20. 24 was that level if I remember correctly. No, 27, 30. Letting it work. I'm in a really good spot and it's over 20 now and almost want to hold over 20, so I'm trying to let this get over. Could probably be selling here considering it's a little bit weaker at this point. I do sell right before it breaks back under 20. Nice. Maybe next candle if this candle closes green. Close over 20. 30-cent spread is pretty yucky though.
Hello? My internet just went out for a fucking sec.
Here we go. Trying to get him back to 20. And through that 20-30 level is what we want to see. Bang, there it is over that 30. Now it should be going here. Yeah. Shouldn't have sold, but I figured when it did get over this level, it would be some kind of either a pop or a little bit more speed. And then right as I sold, it came in. The buyers came in. That's a little bit unfortunate. That's on me though. Should have held it. Missed out on what, 30 cents because of it. It is what it is. Let this one play out. Do 21 now. Hold me down. That bid dropping out quick. Unnecessary. Didn't need to hold that one. Figured it would break 13 there when we got over, but not wanting to. Oh yeah, I remember I struggled on this whole move. Ended up losing money on it. Took this dip under 50 at it when it started to curl. Sold it for profit just because I had taken so many losses in a row. 89, then through 1340. Whoa, I don't know where. Oh, this bid was all over the place. I don't blame myself too much for not capitalizing. Want to see that get over 50. Doesn't. Bang. At least caught some of it there at the end. And yeah, that was all she wrote. Trade a little bit later on, but didn't make any more than that. It's kind of funny. But anyway, 11:50, same game plan for tomorrow. See what's happening. That was two. Today was warm. Wasn't hot. Like yesterday, relatively hot like yesterday. But it was like lukewarm. Hopefully we get at least lukewarm tomorrow. If not warm, maybe hot. That'd be great. So yeah, we'll see. Play it by ear. Peace.